Buying Instagram followers from EU and USA markets has always been the biggest struggle I've had. Now, there is a real unique strategy to trying to find the best SMM panels. Whether you're an SMM panel provider or you're just a company looking to target EU and USA followers, I found it for you. All right, we're going to dive into this video right now, but I want to just say, go on Google if you don't believe me and search how to buy Instagram followers. Check all the links that don't say SMM Go, and you'll see the prices rise from $500 for 1,000 to $10,000 sometimes for just 1,000 Instagram followers. I'm going to show you how you can get for $49.20 1,000 Instagram followers specifically from the USA and EU. So let's get into it. All right, once you go to the website, okay, you're going to go to new order. And I make a lot of videos about SMM Go because it's mind blowing how good this panel is. They are the providers for most services. Now, if you don't know how to use SMM Go, please go and speak to support or check any of my videos. Once you know, go to new order and you've deposited your money, then go to 8174, type it into the top bar.
Our sponsor today is going to help you find quality leads even when you think you're in the darkest place and cannot find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time for thousands and thousands of marketers, including myself. So the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, Lead Sniper is that for you. They have a Google Map scraper, a Google search scraper, Yellow Page scraper, and more tools coming out. So go ahead, get in the description, click the link below, go to Lead Sniper today. But let's get back to the video.
You're going to see this comes up with exactly what I said it would. Instagram followers, 100% EU and USA. 100% HQ users, that means high quality, and it's a lifetime guarantee refill. This means if any do drop off for whatever reason, which I don't think they will, you can go to the order section, which I'll show you very soon, and then you can refill them. So they'll always stay what you buy. All right, very, very good to know. Now, where underneath it says service, it just shows you this is the specific one we're using. I'm going to take the link now from my personal Instagram, which is TrueLeeLiving. You can see it on the screen now. And I'm going to add 5,000 followers. Now we're at 23.7 thousand. So you're about to see this jump up. It's not going to happen in seconds. There is services that can do it in 5 seconds, but they're dead quality service. This is high quality. So it's going to take time. It takes 50K a day. So if you're buying 100K, it's going to take 2 days to fill that up. So I'm going to post a link in here and we're going to check how much 5,000 costs. Now, you're going to be a little bit mind blown to know that the average time is around 14 minutes to get processed in, $246. This is cheaper than I bought 100 followers in the pack. Okay. Now, if you're buying them from somewhere like India, okay, then they will be cheaper. You can check them SMM Go. But if you're buying the high quality top service from EU and USA, this is the service you want to use. So let's submit that and process the order. And there you go, guys. That's the order on. Now, if I go to the order section, you're going to see that it says pending. This will take around 10 minutes kick in. Once it says processing, the followers will start flooding through on the Instagram. If you have any hesitation, go to the customer support, ask, say, hey, can I try $1 on this service? But make sure that guy on YouTube is telling the truth. They'll let you try that. Okay, they're very open for that. They'll help you through any process you have. If something doesn't work, they'll help you. That's why I've been using SMM Go for just over a year now, instead of spending millions of dollars on other SMM panels. So guys, I want you to do me one thing before you go off this video. I want you to go through all the videos on my channel. Okay, I make this personally for you guys to get better services for SMMs. Also, anything to do with boosting social media growth. If you need Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever it is, SMM Go can provide it, or I would make a video about it. So go and check it out right now, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Enjoy the new followers from USA and Europe. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be talking about something even more particular, especially for SMM Go. And I'll see you next time.